Hello, welcome on Ladder. I'm Snehal. Today we'll see what are logical operators in Python. So there are three logical operators, that is and, or, and not. And their meanings are same as their meaning in English. So let's see one by one. So we will use command prompt to learn logical operators. Let me explain you with the example. Let's see x is 5 and y is 4. Okay. Let's understand the logical operator and first. What is meant by and? One thing and another thing. If both the things are true, then result will be true. So let's check for and. X is equal to 5. We'll check whether x is equal to 5 and note here all are in small caption. Y is equal to 4. Here we have already assigned x to 5 and y to 4. So answer should be true. But if I say x is equal to 5 and y is equal to any value other than 4. So answer will be false. So and means both the conditions should be true. Then and then only result will be true. Let's check for or. Or means either or, right? If x is equal to 4 or y is equal to, let's say, 89, it will be true, of course, because x is equal to 5 even though y is not equal to 89. Either of the condition is true, then our result will be true. Now let's check for not. Not just negate the statement. Let's first check for a single statement x is equal to 5. Okay, it is true. And if I use not, let's see how it negates, and result is false. If I use not for x is not equal to 5, let's see what are the result. True.